Hi everyone, welcome back to the birds in my garden. I'd actually put some pieces of wood on the bird table to stop the wood pigeons and doves getting on there, but as you can see it hasn't done the slightest to stop them. And I've actually made this bird, well, it's a bird table with a roof. I've made it smaller, the gap smaller. That's a half a brick you can just see on the right hand side that I've slotted in, but still the wood pigeon can get in, so I don't mind. But I've got really nice seed out for the robin who did come and find it, and I've also got a lovely flock of sparrows in my front garden. They never go in the back, just the front, and it's out really mainly for them. But I don't mind really, but it's just I don't want them pinching at all. Anyway, I make these videos because I have several cats who live in high-rise flats in different locations around the world, and they're house cats, so they like to watch the birds. Their owners put these videos on their iPads and the cats just sit and watch them all afternoon, which I just find hilarious. But while they enjoy watching them, I'll keep filming and putting them out for them to watch. Let me quickly show you what birdseed it is they're eating at the minute. It's the peckish robin insect mix. So there's all sorts of bugs and things in it, and they love it. But of course so do the doves and the wood pigeons. Now, do you think that dove looks as though it's been attacked by something? I do. Have a look each time it comes into view, and then you tell me what you think in the comments. Until I started to put this trail camera out in the bird table under cover, first of all it was in my back garden. I had no idea that the birds were feeding all through the night. It was pitch black. But the robin does. Now I've discovered this wood pigeon also does.